Hi there, Dory Sukap here, founder of Inspiration Management, and I am here with the September issue of Inspiration Moments, and now I'm going to be sharing with you the Dory Recommends section. In the Dory Recommends, I'm going to invite you to join me for a complimentary webinar because I was having a conversation with my friend Ed Kuhn. He's the insurance man for liability and business insurance. He's the founder of medispacover.com. His insurance firm helps people like yourself make sure you have the right coverage. So as I was speaking with him on the phone, he started telling me about all the changes that are taking place in the insurance space. And I just felt like this is such important information that I really owe it to you guys, members of our community, to let you be aware by what's coming around the corner as far as insurance is concerned. And some of the things you definitely need to find out about. So I decided to set up a webinar complimentary. You can just join us. And Ed and I am going to actually interview him so you can get all the answers that you need as far as insurance coverage is concerned. So make sure you join us. He's going to be covering and sharing information with you, such as what's happening right now in the Medispa liability within the marketplace and how it will develop. So what is about to happen? Why are the premiums going up? Because yes, they are going up. I'm sorry to deliver some bad news here, but they are going up, and he's going to share with you why they're going up and what's happening and what to do about it so you can be ready and be ahead of the race that's coming up. And then he's going to go over some key definitions, some terms, and coverage issues, and much, much more. So it's going to be a very beneficial hour for you to make sure that you are on the in as far as what's going on with insurance, so you are prepared and you don't say, oh, Dory, you didn't tell me. So I know I'm going to tell you. So that's September 19th at 2 p.m. Eastern. And if you want to reach out to Ed in advance, again, his website is medispacover.com. Tell him that I sent you and he'll take great care of you. So that's why, because things are rising, that's for all the more reasons why you need to focus on growing the business. So not only are your expenses going up, but your revenue is going up. And that's why you should definitely join me for the I Care coaching model webinar that I'm having. So we're having two webinars in September. One is for the insurance information, it's complimentary, and then the I Care model for a small price, so I can help you learn how to teach your team better and improve performance. So that's it for my Dory Recommends. All you have to do to register is either click below this video or go to inspirationmanagement.com to register for both webinars. I look forward to seeing you. Have a great September, and until next time, stay inspired and stay tuned to the great specials we're having.